Hey everybody, it's Carla from Casey Creates, and I'm trying a new recipe today. It's called chicken cobbler, and it was inspired by my friend Kathy over on at Just a Southern Girl. Hey Kathy, she made it and it looked so good. So here's what you do. You just melt an entire stick of butter in a 9 by 13 casserole dish, and then it's just a matter of layering your ingredients. Excuse me. So you have a chicken. I just deboned a chicken, a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. And then you get frozen vegetables and layer on top of that. And then you make two batter mixtures. So here's my deboned chicken on top of the butter that I melted. Then I took a bag of frozen mixed vegetables and some actual leftover purple onion that I had from the day before. Put that in there too. It made it kind of pretty. Then you take a can of cream of chicken soup and chicken broth, and you mix those together. That's 2 cups of chicken broth, and you set that aside. And then you're going to mix 2 cups of biscuit mix. They used Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. I just made mine up myself with self-rising flour and shortening and some seasonings. And then you mix that in with 2 cups of milk. And then you have 2 different batters, and you're going to pour them over the vegetables and chicken, and you got to pour it carefully. And so first you pour the milk and the biscuit mixture over the vegetables and the chicken until it's a nice even layer, and then you're going to pour the chicken broth and the cream of chicken soup that you mix together. You're going to gently pour that on top, and they absolutely stress that you are not to stir it in any way. So you just want to make a nice even layer over the top. Now, it doesn't look really yummy now, but wait till you see what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. It's delicious. Okay, this is the finished chicken cobbler, and you can see it got real crispy around the edges, and it's still pretty soft in the center. And I'm just going to scoop out a little bit. It's still pretty hot, but it's been resting about 30 minutes. Oh, this looks so yummy. So this is what's for dinner. We'll give it a try. Oops. It's pretty hot. That is really good. It's comfort food at its best. Yeah, if you want a nice, cozy, stick to your ribs, comfort kind of food, I can recommend the chicken cobbler. And I imagine you can put whatever vegetables you'd like in here. I could see it being good with mushrooms if you like mushrooms, or chopped up zucchini, all kinds of things. Anyway, that was delicious. I'm glad I tried it, Kathy. You inspired me, and it was a good choice. Thanks for joining me. Bye.